Today we're going to look at meditation and 2 reasons you may struggle with it. Meditation is an important part of many people's lives because of its wide-ranging benefits. I've been meditating for 25 years and I really love the effects. It's like tuning into a station, broadcasting a super helpful frequency of information, and then having a much better life experience because of tuning in. So whether you have never meditated, started and quit, or have an inconsistent practice, let's look at 2 reasons why you may struggle with meditation. Number 1, you think you're not doing it right, so you stop. This one is incredibly common. You heard meditation is good, you know you want to feel better, so you try it. You do it several times and think, this is really hard. I don't think I'm doing it right because my thoughts are everywhere. Meditation just doesn't work for me. Then consciously or unconsciously, you stop. So what happened here? Are you right? You just weren't made for meditation? The answer is an emphatic no. The issue is you think your mind should be silent when meditating. But no, it shouldn't. When you first start meditating, you have to get used to your fidgety mind and your fidgety body. Those feelings are there for a reason, and meditation is exactly how to start getting in touch with what is going on with the whole of you. Eventually, you can learn to just notice it. You will become the observer of your restless body and mind, instead of being directed by them. So again, this means that the uncomfortable feeling you got that said quit should not be listened to. By sticking with your meditation, you can get in touch with something deeper. So give yourself time to get used to meditation and become determined to stick with it. It's actually rarely true that meditation induces a quiet mind and relaxed feeling body in the beginning. So if you're feeling off in your meditation, especially at the start, perfect. You're doing it right. Shifting your internal state takes patience and time, and even seasoned meditators go in and out of states of calm and presence. You aren't bad or broken because you can't settle. Life is about conditioning, and most of the conditioning you received you had no hand in, but you do have a hand in retraining your system now. So don't let a shaky body and a busy mind talk you out of having your own meditation practice. Let's get to the second reason you may struggle with meditation. Your meditation practice is too goal-driven. Again, you hear it's good to meditate, and in this case, you set out with a stronger focus and an agenda. You're going to fix some issues. So you might get a meditation app and set a schedule and jump in. You're willing to push hard and get to your goals. You get a practice going and look intently for changes in your life. Do I feel better? Did I perform better? Did I have better health outcomes? In other words, you want progress for your effort. If you think, I'm not there yet, I'll try harder, that's not the way to go. This is pushing and trying, and it creates friction inside of you. And meditation is about the opposite of pushing and trying. It's about showing up and letting go. Ultimately, meditation is a very subtle practice. It's about meeting and connecting with an often unknown part of you. This meeting time is priceless. Although meditation can induce wonderful changes in your life, it's ultimately not about getting specific results. So make peace with the meditative process and be happy for just showing up. If in a 3-minute meditation you got 5 seconds of a quiet feeling, it's probably 5 seconds you didn't have before. So revel in the fact that you did it. Be proud of yourself and get on with your day. Ultimately, I gotta say, meditation is about befriending yourself. And like with any good friendship, you don't want to put a bunch of conditions on it. When you meditate, you show up and be there for your beautiful self. My experience is there will be many rewards for doing so, and maybe even some that your mind doesn't expect. So thanks for listening today, and happy meditating.